The world of defense technology is undergoing a revolution. Leading the charge is Palmer Luckey, a visionary entrepreneur who is not afraid to challenge the status quo. Luckey first made his mark in the world of virtual reality, founding Oculus VR and developing the groundbreaking Oculus Rift headset. This invention, which brought immersive virtual reality to the masses, was just the beginning for Luckey. His sights were set on a new horizon revolutionizing modern warfare. Luckey believes that the future of defense lies in leveraging cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence, robotics, and autonomous systems. He sees a world where human soldiers are augmented with advanced exoskeletons, granting them superhuman strength and endurance. In Luckey's vision, the skies are patrolled by swarms of AI-controlled drones, acting as tireless sentinels and providing unmatched situational awareness. This is not science fiction, this is the future Luckey is building today. Palmer Luckey's journey from virtual reality pioneer to defense innovator is both fascinating and inspiring. After selling Oculus VR to Facebook in 2014, he could have easily rested on his laurels. Instead, he chose to tackle a new challenge, transforming the often slow-moving and bureaucratic world of defense technology. He founded Anduril Industries in 2017 with a clear mission: to develop advanced defense technologies at a pace that could keep up with the rapidly evolving threats facing nations around the world. Luckey's experience with Oculus had taught him the power of rapid prototyping, agile development, and a relentless focus on innovation. He brought these same principles to Anduril, assembling a team of brilliant engineers and designers who shared his vision for the future of defense. One of the most exciting areas of Anduril's work is in the field of exoskeletons. These wearable robotic suits are designed to augment human capabilities, giving soldiers superhuman strength, endurance, and protection on the battlefield. Imagine a soldier who can carry hundreds of pounds of equipment without breaking a sweat, or who can run at incredible speeds for extended periods. This is the promise of exoskeleton technology. Anduril is not just developing the hardware for these exoskeletons. They are also integrating them with advanced sensors, communication systems, and artificial intelligence. This means that the exoskeletons of the future won't just be brute force multipliers. They will be intelligent systems that can assist soldiers in making decisions, navigating complex environments, and coordinating with other units on the battlefield. Another key area of Anduril's focus is the development of AI-powered missiles and autonomous drones. These systems are designed to provide persistent surveillance, reconnaissance, and even strike capabilities, all while minimizing the risk to human pilots. Anduril's drones are equipped with advanced sensors and AI algorithms that allow them to operate autonomously, identifying and tracking targets, and even making decisions about when and where to strike. This technology is already being deployed by militaries around the world, and it has the potential to revolutionize modern warfare. Imagine a future where swarms of autonomous drones can be deployed to secure a perimeter, provide early warning of enemy movements, or even carry out precision strikes on high-value targets, all without putting a single pilot in harm's way. This is the future that Anduril is helping to create. Section 5, Anduril Industries, Disrupting Defense. Anduril Industries is not your typical defense contractor. Unlike the large bureaucratic companies that have dominated the industry for decades, Anduril is built on a foundation of speed, agility, and innovation. They are known for their unconventional approach to problem solving and their willingness to challenge the status quo. One of the things that sets Anduril apart is their commitment to building products first and securing contracts second. This is in stark contrast to the traditional defense industry model, where companies often spend years developing concepts and prototypes before ever winning a single contract. Anduril's approach allows them to move much faster and to be more responsive to the needs of their customers. They are not afraid to take risks, and they are constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the world of defense technology. Section 6. The Future of Warfare. Palmer Luckey believes that the future of warfare will be defined by the integration of artificial intelligence, autonomous systems, and human ingenuity. He envisions a world where wars are fought and won not just by having the most soldiers or the most powerful weapons, but by having the most advanced technology and the ability to use it effectively. This vision of the future of warfare raises both exciting possibilities and profound ethical questions. On the one hand, these technologies have the potential to make warfare less destructive and to save lives by keeping soldiers out of harm's way. On the other hand, there are valid concerns about the implications of giving machines more autonomy in warfare and the potential for unintended consequences. Section 7. Ethical considerations. The development and deployment of AI-powered weapons systems and autonomous drones raise important ethical considerations that must be carefully considered. One of the biggest concerns is the potential for these systems to be used in ways that violate international law or human rights. For example, there is a risk that autonomous drones could be used to carry out extrajudicial killings or to target civilians in conflict zones. Another concern is the potential for these systems to malfunction or to be hacked, leading to unintended consequences. For example, an autonomous drone that malfunctions or is hacked could potentially cause significant damage or loss of life. It is essential that these systems are developed and deployed responsibly, with appropriate safeguards in place to mitigate these risks. Section 8. Luckey's legacy. Palmer Luckey is a polarizing figure, but there is no denying the impact he has had on the world of technology. His work at Oculus VR helped to bring virtual reality into the mainstream, and his current work at Anduril Industries is pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the world of defense technology. Only time will tell what the full legacy of his work will be, but one thing is certain: Luckey is a visionary entrepreneur who is not afraid to challenge the status quo and to push the boundaries of what is possible. His story is a reminder that innovation often comes from unexpected places, and that the most important thing is to have the courage to pursue your passions, even in the face of skepticism or opposition. Luckey's journey is an inspiration to anyone who has ever dreamed of changing the world with their ideas. Section 9. A call to action. The future of warfare is being written today, and it is up to us to ensure that it is a future that reflects our values. We must engage in a thoughtful and informed debate about the ethical implications of these new technologies and to develop clear guidelines for their development and deployment. We must also invest in the research and development of technologies that can help to mitigate the risks posed by autonomous weapon systems, such as systems for detecting and disabling rogue drones. The future of warfare is in our hands. Let us make sure that we shape it wisely.